So friend, this is my online Nettech discussion. In this my video, I'm continue computer hardware new topic on this channel. So you can see here, this is a computer hardware already. I've created a lot of video for previous video, and that you cannot understand how to continue this. So first, you want to watch previous video, computer power, how to take, and how many type of computer. Okay, so personal computer, different type of computer available. I will discuss, or I'm already discussed. Okay, so I'm already discussed and watch previous video, very important for mainframe computer, what is embedded computer, and what is the hardware. So understand about what is the software. This is a very important for understand about continue these courses. Okay, so basic computer parts, hardware system, software network. Okay, and types of computer device. You can see here, this is one type of different types available in a computer. So input device, output device, what is a student device, what is a uh, internet network devices, input output device. So watch previous video. Okay, so this is very important to understand about okay, so my previous video very important for watch all technology, LED, LCD display technology, how working. Okay, what is the history of LED technology and pixels. So understand about and how to work LED technology, LCD technology, and what is the screen resolution of standard technology. Okay, so plasma display, what is a plasma display and how working plasma display, I'm already created on this topic video. Okay, so watch it. Okay, and you can see plasma technology, and after I'm already OLED created, what is a OLED and how what is OLED technology. So this is really important to understand about OLED technology. Okay, so OLED is one type of very lot of popular technology, and using all of most of 99 percent using in all of country OLED technology. Okay, so already structure, already technology, and you can see here this is different type available in OLED technology monitor, 4K LED display. You know about 4K technology. Okay, so this is a very important for understand 4K technology. You can see 4K projector system. What is a projector? LCD, how working? LCD projector system. This is a one type of DLP projector system, and you can see this is a very important for very lot of people using red projector system. You can see here. Okay, so what is a red projector system, how working, watch previous video, and I'm continuous CPU related discussing. So I'm already created 3 video completely, watch previous video. Okay, so what is a CPU, understand about what is CPU. Okay, second is a why use CPU, and without CPU how computer work. Okay, so you can see where is the CPU insert and install, and you can see this is a very important to understand about the CPU technology. Okay, so what is the CPU types and what is the CPU system. So today I'm discuss only types of CPU making company. Okay, so I'm already told you last previous video how to uh, core and working type. So today I'm discuss the types of CPU making company. Okay, so let's start and understand about CPU types. Okay, so friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so it, and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist, and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video, so you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. You can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operation 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you. And you visit my other playlist, you can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit for my playlist. So thank you. So I'm already told you last previous video what is a CPU, how you using a CPU, and why using this type of CPU technology enter in main important of part. Okay, so CPU is a one type of a main central processing unit and all of computer working by main important of part. Okay, so it is a one type of very important of computer brain, one type of main or process everything your data, your picture, video, music, create any document, everything, every your data pass into this CPU technology through. Okay, I have already told you about CPU technology, what is the CPU and how many type of working in process and input output. I will discuss a lot of detail in next some video. But today I'm just discuss about only types of components CPU making of system. Okay, so what is the main of a CPU part of a making company? Why this how many type of company? So first you can see ARM holding this ARM company. Okay, so this is a selling designs only and a different type of some system. Second company is a Broadcom company. Okay, this is a Broadcom company is one type of created CPU. Third is a Fujitsu company. Okay, you can see this is a company only some other part of created, just like not only CPU, RAM create a RAM, some create a motherboard, some create a different type of part of CPU and some designing of devices. Okay, so you can search on Fujitsu these. Fourth, you already know about IBM company. IBM is a very important and very part of 40 to 70% create computer designing in very good of design created by IBM company. But now only design only to watch this system only CPU and motherboard only created and something only. Fifth is imagination technology. This technology की MIT's CPU created. Okay. Six, IN genetic semiconductor. This IN genetic company is available in USA and the popular company only AMD and Intel. Okay, so lot of people know about Intel and AMD company is a very important for understand. So in this time, all of market discuss all about AMD company and Intel company. So these both side company very popular in market. Okay, so this is CPU is one type of not simple of part, all of the main part of created by AMD and Intel company. So without Intel and AMD company you cannot watch other type of CPU available, but lot of people and famous AMD and Intel company. Okay, so it is very large of market Intel and AMD company in CPU marketing, and CPU is a making company. This is a very hard and very high level type of document load, take and balance, and very response for reply to process everything side. So all of that is a one type of important created on AMD and Intel company. Okay, so Intel company is a very old of generation time to first created small of CPU technology, and with IBM company. Okay, not only Intel company but IBM company. And after 1971 first time created Intel company, and I'm discussing this my course on the Intel company to create a designing system. Okay, so this is a very important understand about main central processing unit of a part of main of part Intel 4004. You can see this is a very, so all of document, all of you are within 1 second inside reply everything your return every document. How this possible? Because fast processor means fast work, and without a fast processor you cannot completely start your system. Okay, so the Intel 4004 is 4-bit central processing unit CPU released by Intel Corporation in 1971. First introduced small of computers, small of a central processing first chip, only Intel company. It was the first microprocessor and first in a long line of Intel company too. Okay, so Intel and IBM company old and but very important, very popular because IBM company first introduced motherboard of technology designing, and second is some technologies IBM company created. I'm already told you in some and I will discuss how many type of IBM company USB and parallel port and PS2 port include in the technology of motherboard. Okay, so second is created Intel company. You can see this 1971 4-bit is a central processing unit. You can see here, and after you can see is 1992 AMD company launch and new type of created CPU technology. Okay, but first time is in 1971 is a very old of IT technology, and I'm only discussing my this course in 1971 to till now. This time this generation Intel technology processor. Okay, so depend on you how you understand about your processor and your motherboard, and one type of your uh, condition of your motherboard and the CPU central processing unit. So this is the one type of Intel 4004 is a 4-bit central processing unit, and this is 1971. Okay, old, very old of technology introduced first time microprocessor we, and this is very important for understand about the microsystem. So next I will show you Intel technology related some information very important for, and why is a very change in computer world. Okay, so how this very big computer to room space in small chip, one type of technology, micro technology. So I will discuss it in the technology Intel company. Okay, so next time I will discuss on this topic. So subscribe, click on bell icon, and any type of questions so comment me. Okay, so thank you, have a nice. Next time I will continue Intel this company related discussion. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Next time I will continue on Intel technology related. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech sketch. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech sketch. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this base channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video.